Hey, I'm so glad you're here and we are back. We are back for 2024. And guess what? Why am I all bedazzled today looking so chic in my sequins? Because today's my birthday. Today, I graced the earth 60 years ago, and I am proud to say that I am 60 years old. I'm really looking forward to what life has in store for me going forward. I have never, ever been so excited by celebrating a mile marker birthday. At 30, my big thing was I got my ears pierced because I wanted to do something different, something bold that I was afraid to do. It took me 30 years to get my ears pierced. 40, I had just moved. So I had made a huge change. I had moved here during that year and I was turning 40. So, only being here for a few months, I didn't have any friends here to really celebrate. I think Barry and I went, somebody took care of the kids, and Barry and I went off for a big night in the big city. That was my 40th birthday. Then 50, we just didn't even celebrate because not to be a Debbie Downer, but Barry was going in for major surgery in a few days. So it was major surgery. But so we just kind of canceled our 50th birthday that year. But here we are at 60. Am I having a big party? I'm here with you, aren't I? This this is part of my celebration of my birthday, and I'm getting together with some friends, and who knows if you want to invite me out for a cup of coffee or you want to have a come on and have a private chat with me, go ahead to celebrate my birthday. I'm here. I'd love to talk via video. Or if you want to be in person, invite me out for a cup of coffee or a glass of wine or something. But I want to celebrate. I'm 60, and the number one reason I am so excited about turning 60 is because as crappy of things that happened last year, there was exponential growth that I can see within myself. I see it in a lot of other people too. 2023 was not the easiest year. My family went through a lot, not just my core family, but my extended family. Went through breakups, we went through cancer, we even went through transplants, organ transplants in my family this last year. But guess what? We're all here and we're all doing great. Everyone is doing great and moving on and looking forward to 2024. Here I am with my sparkly drink and cheers to Weezy. So, with all of those changes in my family, what has done this for me for 60? This year has been a huge growth year for me for battling insecurity. I know I come on here and I know I'm in front of you in the camera, and I think I've talked about this before, but really, this is not my comfort zone because I don't really like my voice. I think my voice is very boring, but other people love it. Thank goodness because you get on here and you listen to me. And I have just my mindset has gone from me thinking everybody else knows more than me or is more advanced than me to, you know what? I'm right where I need to be. I know what I need to know, and I am helping others grow beyond what they want to do. I've been able to take several people who were s- keeping back and holding themselves back because they didn't think they had the knowledge or the know-how or the chutzpah to do something. And I have helped guide them through the way, and it is fabulous for all of us, for all of us. And if you're one of those people that I helped, thank you for putting faith into me that I could help you through. Oh, changing how I react. I've changed how I react to things instead of always being annoyed or thinking that I've done something wrong. I've learned that it's not always me. And if it is me, I will take responsibility for me, but I will get annoyed. I will get offended. I I was like that a lot. And now it's like, you know what? How I am and how I react to things is on me, and how other people, what they say and how they react is upon them. I don't have to carry guilt because of how somebody else may act or react to something. That is theirs to deal with. I will take care of me. I've ha- and I've had a lot of shift in perspectives of just different ways that I've done business, different ways and how I come about and doing my business, how I come out and about to act and react with people, how to come together with people, how to enjoy life. I've had a new spark with not just doing what I'm doing now, but with my art and with my health. And my body has reacted. I'm in really great health, and I'm really proud of that, going on to being 60 and saying, I have gone through and now I'm on the other side, and I'm 10 times better than I was going into my 50s. So, so long 50s, hello 60. So, with all of these mindset changes, like I said, I have new things that I'm doing here at Weezy. And so today's message, of course, it's celebrating my birthday. And don't you like my sequin jacket? I love looking down at the camera and seeing all the bedazzle. But anyway, so let's celebrate the new things that Weezy has going on. Some of it is business for businesses, and some of it is for consumer goods. And what I'm doing is nothing new. There's other programs out there like it, but the difference is it's you're not working with me. Me who loves to hold your hand, who's kind and patient and will take you slowly, step by step through the process, not rush you along and not leave you behind. Because if you choose to do it, Wheezy will stick with you. And I think anybody who has worked with me can attest to that. So, um, my number one biggest program that I am implementing, I have worked really hard the last few months, and this package would be for consumer purposes. Uh, Anybody could buy into these packages and use it any way you wanted. And it's called Living Legacy. What is Living Legacy? That is perhaps you, or you get it for somebody that you love, sharing great highlights of their life, sharing their skills or great moments of their life. They can share that on video. And then notice I would use the word legacy. What does legacy mean? That means it carries on for a long time, not just for you, your daughters, your grandchildren, but generations and beyond. And who doesn't want to leave a legacy? So maybe you think you don't have anything great to share. Maybe you have skills that you would like to share. Maybe it's crafts, maybe it's woodworking, car repair, anything that you're passionate about. Guess what? They're not going to know about that in 2 generations to come because those people didn't experience you and your passion about it. And who can share your passion better than you? And that is what living legacy is all about. Now, if you're in business, you can also use this because you can talk about how you went on about your career and how you got started. And this would be great for your websites to share your life journey so that people using your services know you better, who you are, where you came from, and what drives you to do what you do. There's 2 ways you can do this. I have a do it yourself package, and I have a And I have a second package where we meet here on Zoom. I give you interviews, 5 stories that you get to share, but I guide you through the questions. You have somebody to talk to. And then I go ahead and I edit those segments together for you. I upload them into a cloud service, and then I share with you how to do it. So that's just a brief synopsis. If you want more information on that, you can go to my website, or you can ask me here in the questions and just put in living legacy, and I will send you both of the pages for information for you to look through. I started and I did follow through. I had some paid workshops, and then if you didn't look, I gave you plenty of tutorials last year. But this year I'm going to go, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to take some of the workshops that I taught last year and go a little bit more advanced in small increments so that you can follow along. There will be a charge for these. Um, but it won't be that, but it won't be huge, but just be looking for some of the mini workshops that I am going to present this year. They will be pre-recorded. I am not going to do live. Um, if you need live tutoring, then you can set an appointment with me, and I love to do live tutoring via Zoom. Another thing is I am continuing my happy hours. They are the second Thursday of each month. And this month, you really should show up, because guess what? We're going to have a little bit of beverage, and we're going to say, yay, Weezy, Weezy's 60. We're going to be celebrating my birthday. But you really should join for the happy hours, because if you have not experienced one of the happy hours yet, it's not your regular business networking. Let me get to know you. Let me try to sell you something. No, we are really not about sales. If a sale should happen, if you want to connect with somebody and do business with them, that's great. But it's really talking about plans. All of my programs have planning implemented into them because it's so imperative to plan. But we talk about the plans that we want, the things we want to do. So, like, for an example, would be like, I will probably be sharing more about living legacy this time. Um, Other people talk about what they want to do in their business, and then it's like a think tank where we come together and we bounce ideas off of each other, and somebody may have a idea or knowledge of how they can go about it, and that's what we share in that hour. Happy hours are limited to how many can attend, and there is a small fee because this is not your normal networking. You are going to come away from this. And another thing, I'm going to start going back into doing public speaking. So if you have a group or an organization that you think one of my programs would be great, I can go out and do public speaking. I can run mini workshops. I can do that live. I can do that via Zoom. And I'm quite excited about it. And I hope you're excited for me. If you have any questions about anything that I have talked about, or you have comments or yays or happy birthdays, put them down in the comments below. Just highlight, maybe give me a hashtag of, say you want family legacy, put hashtag family legacy, put hashtag plan, hashtag happy hour into the comments, and I will get back to you via email. If you forget to do that, you can always go to my website and hit contacts and send me an email. But if you've ever done business with me, you know I read my emails and I will get back with you. You just want one-on-one time with Weezy? I do have a special offer for you today. I am doing consultations. And I'm doing 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour consultations. So once again, if you want something like that, comment in the comments with a hashtag of 15, 30, 60, more information, I will send you what the special is. But I will say it is $25 off most packages. One is even free. So I know I'm leaving a little mystery there. But it's okay because I'm Weezy. I'm 60 and I can do whatever I want. But I want you to contact me. So that's why I'm leaving some mystery into it. I don't want to just give you all the information. I want you to contact me. So go to my website, respond here, or if you already have my email, just go ahead and email me and what information you are interested in. But anyways, welcome to 2024. Happy birthday to me. Go ahead, send me some birthday love. And I am back for my Wednesday with Weezy's here recorded and show up every Wednesday at 9 a.m. Talk to you soon, everybody. Bye.